Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR chain hoist. So we got our instructions, and we got a couple of different models here. Ours is the HC1-6. It's going to be for 1 ton, 2,000 pounds. It has a max lifting height of 20 feet, so it's going to have a nice long chain on it. Be made out of alloy steel, 6x18 G80 chain. The hand chain, so it's going to be the one that you grab. That one is going to be a 4.6x25, and the hand pull force is 320 newtons. So it does look like a decent looking chain. Everything is welded and ground down. And we've got a nice solid head. Got a nice big thick hook. It also has a spring lock on it, so you don't have to worry about anything dropping out of there. There's a pretty smooth feeling mechanism on it. And we have got a ton of chain. There is our bottom hook. They did actually put this on a swivel, so if what you're lifting starts to rotate, you don't have to worry about that binding anything up. And that also has our spring latch. So just to get an idea of the scale, the hook is right here. So this is where I'm going to be attaching to. And the chain fall is all the way up there. So we have got 20 feet that we can lift this thing. So this is a 55-gallon drum. It is not completely full, but it is fairly full. And I can lift that guy very easily. That is an extremely easy to use chain hoist. So yeah, very nice lifting range, very easy to use. That is a very nice hoist.